Compound interest. In this video, we'll determine the amount of principal we need to invest in various accounts using interest rates and continuous compounding interest. The two formulas that we need for compound interest are listed. We'll be using the second formula, A equals P e to the RT. Our first example, determine the amount of money P that should be invested at rate 9% for 10 years, compounded continuously, to produce a final balance of $100,000. So how much money would we need to put in the account in order to get $100,000 out after 10 years at 9% interest, compounded continuously? This is our formula, and these are the variable values that we'll be using. A is the amount of money that we'd like to acquire. P is the principal that we need to invest. We'll write the interest rate in decimal form, 0.09, and T is 10 years. We'll substitute those values into the formula. And now we'll multiply the 0.09 times 10. Now we'll raise e to the 0.9 power using a calculator. We'll divide 100,000 by that value and simplify with a calculator. We get $40,656.97. That's how much money we would need to invest to get the $100,000 out after 10 years. Now I wonder, how much money would we need to invest at the same interest rate to produce the same final balance, but instead of 10 years, for 50 years. So it's the same formula. The only thing that's different is T now equals 50. So of course we'll need to invest less money since the money is staying in the account for longer. Substitute in our values into our formula. And we'll simplify the product there, 0.09 times 50. Now we can use our calculator to raise e to the 4.5 power. And to figure out the amount of principal needed, we'll do this division problem. And this amount of principal is significantly lower than the previous example. All we would need to invest is $1,110.90 in order to produce the final balance of $100,000 if we keep the money in the account for 50 years at 9%, compounded continuously.